The Crow with Wisdom. Two crows as a challenge. They decided to see who could fly highest. It was finalized that both crows would choose a sack of similar size and start flying. The first crow inspected the sacks and chose a sack of salt. He thought it might rain, clouds are black. The second crow laughed at the first crow and he chose a sack of cotton. He thought, what a fool he is to carry a sack of salt. I am going to win. Both the crows were ready. The time came and both started flying. They began to fly higher and higher. All of a sudden, it started raining, and you know what happened. The salt in the sack of the first crow dissolved. The cotton in that of the second got soaked. It was the first crow who won the challenge. A thought of the future will help a little better. Life sentence. A woman awakes during the night to find that her husband was not in bed. She puts on a robe and goes downstairs to look for him. She finds him sitting in the kitchen with a cup of tea, and he appears to be in deep thought, just staring at the wall. She watches as he wipes a tear from his eyes and takes a sip of coffee. What's the matter, dear? She whispers as she steps into the room. Why are you sitting down here this time of the night? The husband looks up from his coffee. Do you remember 20 years ago when we were dating and you were only 16? He asks solemnly. Yes, I do, she replies. The husband paused. The words were not coming easily. Do you remember when your father caught us in the back seat of my car making love? Yes, I remember, said the wife, lowering herself into a chair beside him. The husband continued, do you remember when he shoved the double-barrel shotgun in my face and said, either you marry my daughter or I'll send you to jail for 20 years. Yes, I remember that too, she whispered softly. He wiped another tear from his cheek and said, I would be getting out today. Maniraj, who was the king of Manipuri, came to know of the feats of Karnagupta. He wanted to pay respect to this great saint, so he invited Karnagupta to his palace. When Karnagupta arrived, Maniraj welcomed him and offered him a seat. Then the king asked the saint to tell something about his future from his horoscope. After a keen observation into the king's horoscope, Karnagupta started telling the future boons to be blessed upon the king. The king was so happy, he kept on rewarding the saint with gold and silver for every boon told by Karnagupta. Now came the time to see the future misfortunes. The whole outlook of Maniraj started to change. At one point, he shouted, Stop! You filthy soul! How dare you say such nonsense? I order you to say me the time of your death. Karnagupta replied in a small voice, My lord, according to my calculations, my death will take place just an hour before thy death. The king was stunned. He felt his error. He begged pardon from Karnagupta and sent him off with furthermore moral. Wisdom is more able than power. The voice turtle. A fox used to be very proud of its wisdom. Often he boasted, I am the wisest of all animals. One day he went in search of food. He couldn't find anything. He couldn't bear his hunger. He was about to give up his search. When he finally saw a turtle, he was so happy that he sprang and caught hold of the turtle. The fox began to break the shell of the turtle, but what a pity! However hard he tried, he couldn't break. The turtle piously told to the fox, Why not you soak me in water? My shell will become soft and you can easily eat me. In his anger, the fox lost his thoughts and let the turtle into a nearby pond. The turtle happily slipped out of the hands of the fox and swam into the pond. He came up at the center of the pond and said, Hey fox, don't be too proud of your wisdom. There is always a better than a good. The silly and the voice. It was a hot summer day. Not many animals came out to graze. A wolf was very hungry. He couldn't get any prey. At last, he saw a goat grazing nearby. The silly wolf was so happy that he started to snarl before he sprang on the goat. The snarl had alerted the goat, and as the wolf sprang, the goat began to run. The wolf started chasing the goat. Both began to run with their full might. It so ended that the goat was on top of a rock and the wolf was below the rock. The goat said amongst great happy, "You silly wolf, instead of chasing me, you just open your mouth and I'll jump into." The silly wolf opened its mouth wide open. The goat jumped down, not into wolf's mouth, but on the wolf's head. The wolf got crushed. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।